In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to dink. Now, I don't know who told the pickleball world this, but most people, when they're practicing dinking, they dink straight ahead. That's basically a bad habit you may not have known you had until today. From now on, when you dink, practice, we want you to dink cross court, because that's how we want you to play, and you end up playing like you practice. What I want to do to my opponent is basically make it awkward or uncomfortable. I am not trying to hit a winner. I'm just trying to make my opponent hit a loser, either by hitting it into the net or getting it up into my strike zone where I can volley and have an attackable ball. I do that by making them take a step or lunge and lean for the ball, not letting them get comfortable by hitting it right back to them every time. And also keep in mind, I'm trying to keep it a foot over the net so that I have plenty of margin for error on my dinks. So here we go. Let me show you what that looks like. I'll go dink to the middle, and then I'll go cross court. Remember, I keep it low. I finish strong. My paddle faces up, and I'm pretty still as I'm moving him around. This one goes back to the middle where he's not, and then I'm causing the error. So now I've kept them moving as much as possible, and that's basically what we want to do when we dink, is manipulate our opponent softly by controlling the point and making it difficult, hitting it into their hesitation zone. So they have to think while they're dinking. We don't want to think, we just want to execute.